We're here at the TC3 Innovation Summit to catch up with Yoshi Tanaka of SoftBank Ventures. So, Yoshi, obviously SoftBank has a broad portfolio of technology. What specifically are you here at TC3 to take a better look at?
Okay. First of all, so most of people know SoftBank as a huge investment arm. SoftBank Vision $100 billion fund. But so the another phase is operation companies. So we are underneath SoftBank Corporation, which provide wireless, wireline, broadband services to Japanese customers. It's a typical telco, tier 1 telcos. So my mission is business development to scout business technology partners here in North America and Israel, Singapore, all over, particularly North America. And I'm expecting TC3. Hey, so this organization gather tier 1 carriers, tier 1 IT corporations here. And most of people are business guy and the tech scout guy. So I'm looking for potential startups, partners, not startups. So company size agnostic, stage agnostic actually. So what's the best fitting potential partners at TC3? And also side effect is so like this opportunity. So well, I will be able to have a networking with each other, with Deutsche Telekom or Verizon, as a same industry. So what's our pain point? What should we do as a carrier for the next decade? So we do have the same problem, yes. So why don't we discuss offline, online? So this TC3 is a good opportunity. Number one is exciting. Second is good networking.
And some of these pain points you mentioned that a communication service provider has, yeah. I mean, one of the predominant ones I've heard discussed at the show today is how do we better address the Internet of Things, both from a connectivity standpoint and a security standpoint, and how do we scale quickly enough to keep up? What are some of SoftBank's interests in the Internet of Things?
Okay, it's a very good question. Very good questions. So I have never seen IoT success story in the world. Yes, I know there are a lot of proof of concepts, trial, but who leads IoT success story? So in a smartphone, Apple and Google have been leading smartphone. In movie, Netflix or something, and social networking, Facebook. So what about IoT? So my personal opinion is IoT is just a tool. My approach is, just for example, look at Amazon. Amazon acquired Whole Foods, but they are e-commerce company? No. Their objective is to track entire holistic customer experience, even in e-commerce, even in on-site shopping, and even last 1 mile delivery, food or something. So my personal point in IoT is we do, for example, agriculture. We do hailing taxi company. So service revenue comes from the business. IoT is just a tool. AI is just a tool. So agriculture, we do, we produce vegetable, organic production. In order to do that, so what about IoT? Sensor is required. Yes. So business is first, and the technology architecture is narrowed down. And finally, so what about connectivity? Devices, sensors required. So most of people have, what about IoT security? What about IoT connectivity? What about IoT data platform? It's the same. it's a side. The point is how to make it happen for a sustainable business. Look at the next 3 decades. That's my point.
So when you take these tools, you take IoT, and then you take big data analytics, and then you take artificial intelligence, you combine these tools with your wireless and your wireline network. What is the business value opportunity that you can create, not just tomorrow, but as you said, over the next 3 decades?
So carrier's strength point is we do have from end to end. So OTT has no connectivity functions, so we do, carriers do. And we do customer information, billing information, and in Japan, more than 99% is postpaid customers. That is, we are doing credit company. We are doing company. Okay, so until now, so we do have a lot of information. So unlike other players, carrier's business is from connectivity to application side. And also, we do have a license ban. So not only LPWA, but also LTE Cat-M, LTE IoT, 5G. So we can select the network, best network connectivity depending on customer requirement and customer use cases.
And then you can apply that artificial intelligence to get the right mix.
Yes. Artificial intelligence is just tool as well. So the image recognition is required to detect malfunction. So deep learning is required. Or just machine learning. That's it. Marketing automation. That's good enough. The point is, we carrier need to narrow down what is a customer's pain point. Actually, its main business style model is B2B2C right now. Until now, we have been enjoying B2C business to provide a smartphone. We are reviewing most likely data traffic, phone call traffic. But from now on, data or phone call is like water and gas. That's why upper layer is cash cow, maybe.
So to use your earlier example of the Amazon acquisition of Whole Foods and then tie that back to a telecommunications organization, they really do have the data set to get a granular perspective of a holistic customer experience, but they're not really accessing that data and analyzing it appropriately, right?
Yes, of course. And also, Amazon and Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, they are doing the job, so they have a bunch of data. Particularly Facebook, Google, Amazon have a bunch of data. One thing I need to mention is data is not necessarily coming from myself. So data is coming from a third party through API. We are welcome third parties API, Target API, Walmart API, and we will be happy to export the carrier's data, anonymous data, location data, customer data, and matching each other. Eventually, the new data is created.
Well, Yoshi, I appreciate you taking the moment to share SoftBank's perspective on the event here, and I hope that you find some promising technology while you're here.
Yeah, I'm expecting. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.